Okay, today this video is connected to the previous video. The previous video was I want to use a phone case. Put it in editing software. But it comes with a transparent channel of PNG pictures. Pictures I downloaded through my browser. It's actually this white one. The bottom is not transparent. Open it and take a look. Can't tell from here. So we can either start with Photoshop or look from other software. It's transparent channel. If it is transparent, it shows you the grid. But we don't do it that way now. Let's do it another way, in the form of a web page. So first we open the code. Yesterday's picture was typed by a Thai editor. Let's refresh it. The bottom of the entire page is red. If the shell is transparent, logically speaking, this white should turn pink. Only the black border part is a normal color. So the white here is going to be transparent. GB strung here? Give me away. Just use this one. Image Magic installed on Windows. Take a look. For example, here I choose this X6X6 type. This installation, pick any one after installation, then we execute the order. In this file. Convert this text to another file. Well, first of all, let's look at this. And his is successful. Can be executed. And then we type in this command. Then enter what we want. Transfer picture. We're going to make this picture from white to transparent. Transparent white and white are turned into transparent. Then the picture of the picture is transferred out. We call it point PNG and name it itself. Because we already have one output. Don't use it this time. Okay, enter. There's one more UT and Thai here. These two look the same. You can't see the difference when you open it. But we go from the web page, change it to UT, and then we're going to refresh the page. You can see his background normally. The picture becomes, the background turned red. Just white. It's all transparent. So I'm in the editing software. Import this material in. It can be successful. There is this effect of swipe short video. So let me summarize the content today. It's the device we exported from the website. Type out this text. Its background is white. It's not transparent. I need to change it to transparent. Transparent words. Use this command line software. Install on Windows. Then execute the command on this line. Turn the white one into the transparent one. This is the original picture. This is the exported picture. Then we verify through the code. Is it a white background or transparent? The final verification result is our conversion did succeed. The red background can be seen normally. Then you want to make similar material. You can also do it this way. Add here. I tried both paid software and open source. I found that my command line is still easy to use. That's all for today's video.